Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing easy pancakes for kids snack box, and the ingredients are minimal, which we already have in our kitchen, and I hope you'll find this recipe useful. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make pancakes. To a bowl, add 1 egg, half a cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil or any unflavored oil, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. You can also use vanilla extract. Before adding flour, give it a nice whisk. Now to this add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 pinches of salt. Whisk all together till the batter is smooth without any lumps. No need to buy pancake mixture, you can make it at home in just 5 minutes. Check out the batter, it's nice and smooth. It should be in pouring consistency. Heat a non-stick pan over low-medium heat. Grease a pan with a few drops of oil. This pan is meant for pancakes. If you are using regular pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of pancake batter. Cook the pancakes on a low-medium heat. This will take around 2 minutes to cook. You can also refrigerate leftover batter and use it the next day. Once you see lots of bubbles on the pancakes, that's a sign it's cooked underneath. Now let's flip the pancakes to the other side and cook for 30 to 40 seconds. Pancakes are done, nice and golden. Now let's remove it from the pan. You can serve it as it is, but I'm going to shape the pancakes using some cookie cutters so kids will enjoy the snack. I'm using a heart and a star shaped cutter. Let's pack the snack box. This is pancake syrup. You can also give them honey. quick and easy kids snack box in 10 minutes, and I hope you'll find the recipe useful. If so, share it with your family and friends. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.